Hello, my name is Nurul Anis Alia binti Roslan. My matric number H21A2452. So now, I'm gonna start our presentations by part A. First, we are giving a sample of data. So we choose 50 of data. So first, we decide on the number of classes. So the size of sample is 50. And the class width, the maximum is 19.6 and the minimum is 18. So we calculate and we got 13. So next we have appropriate tables. Okay, first we have frequency distractions. We make a tally mark for each data entry in the appropriate class. We have classes, we have tally, and we have frequency. So here we can see we have 3 with the same data, which is 10, and the total of frequency is 50. And we also have relative frequency distractions. So the relative frequency distraction is the portion or percentage of the data that falls in that class. And to find relative frequency of a class, we divide the frequency. So for example, the frequency is 6. So 6 we divide 50. So the total is 0.12. Okay, next we have histogram. So here we have class, lower boundaries, upper boundaries, midpoint, and frequency. So midpoint, to make a midpoint, we need to have a lower class limit plus upper class limit, and we divide it into 2, and we got the midpoint. Okay, now we also have frequency polygon. We make histogram. So we can see the line up and also the line downs. So for the histogram, we need classes, midpoint, and frequency. And that's all from me. Now I'm going to pass the presentation to my friend. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nur Iza Kamila binti Roslan. My matric number is H21A2432. I want to explain about measure of center tendency by mean. The mean is the average. The way to get the mean is the frequency multiplied by the mean. For each and add by the total frequency multiplied by the point of each class, then divide by the total frequency. So the mean of the current of labor force by each group in Wilayah Persekutuan Kuala Lumpur by 1982 until 2019 are 6024. The way to get the median is with the sum of the frequency divided by 2. Then look at the cumulative frequency where the number is n. Take the class and calculate together with the lower class boundary and class size. So the median of the current of labor force by each group in Wilayah Persekutuan Kuala Lumpur is by 1982 until 2019 are 334.8. The way to get the mode is the class with the highest frequency count with class size and so on. So the highest are labor force by each group in Wilayah Persekutuan Kuala Lumpur by 1982 until 2019 is 202.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nisha Aisyah binti Jacob. My nama matrik H21A2462. Now I want to present about measure of variation. The range is the most straightforward to calculate depression. It is calculating by the separating the greatest and the lowest number from the data. D is the formula range is maximum data entry minus minimum data entry. For this set data, the range is 101 minus 18, and this answer is we get 83. And the formula for the variance is 1 divide n minus 1 multiply sum fx square minus sum fx square divided by n. So the variance for the labor for by each group is wilayah persekutuan Kuala Lumpur is about 601.82. And standard deviation is 24.53. Next, measure of position. This is the formula for measure of for position is quarters 1 is equal the lowest boundaries plus brackets number of entry over 4 minus frequency over frequency quarters 1 multiply with C. So the answer quarters 1, we need class interval. So the formula is quarter 1 equal a number entry over 4. So we get 8 and class interval 30 to 45. So the answer for quarters 1 is 40.5. Next, the formula quarter 3. 3 multiply with number entry over 4 minus frequency over frequency quartile 3 multiply with C. So we get answer 75.6. Next, the interquartile range. We take quarter 3 minus with quarter 1. So the final answer we get 35.1.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Tengku Nurasha Hazrin binti Tengku Abdullah. Number metric H2010305. The shape of distribution. The form of distribution can be determined using histogram and frequency polygon. We can also ascertain the shape of distribution using the three mean, median, and mode values. Mean values 6034, median value 334, mode 202. Since mean bigger than median bigger than mode, hence the distribution is skewed to the right. Introduction to the data and variable involved. Find one set of data that have one independent variable and one dependent variable. Our data set is from an online database. So our data is secondary data. The data is gathered and recorded by someone else. This data is the data that is reused and collected for another purpose. Independent variable for this data is quantity pizza for evening. Dependent variable for this data is price dollar.
Next, we will look into the Pearson moments, correlation, coefficient. The table on the slides shows the select data of the 36 data samples for the choose as well. Next slide, it is the answer I get from calculate for x and y. The value of x is 3995.
and Y 609. And next 513593. And next 11056. And X Y is 61355. And the total of calculate X and Y is negative 0.588.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Hajar binti Muhammad Nasir. My metric number H2182656. Okay, I want to present my part in simple liner. Develop estimate a regression equation. The data of all age group number in wilayah Persekutuan Kuala Lumpur 1982 until 2019. It equal 3995 Y 6098 513593 Y equal 11056, then XY equals 61355. Next, simple linear regression. Y equal B0 plus B1X. B0 estimate for BO the intercept. B1 estimate for B1 slope of the line. X is the value of the independent variable and Y is the predicted estimate value of the independent variable. The last part is formula. How to get B0 and B1. So this is its formula. So slope for B1 is negative 0.604 for everyone. One height increase. Measure the arm span will decrease about negative 0.04. So BO the answer is 301.6965. The number high is span is 301.6965. So thank you.